Hey crochet friends, it's Dayna from Nellie DeeCee Crochet. Look what I just got in the mail yesterday. Yep, it is the Dawn Chorus kit and I'm so excited about it. I'm going to give you a little unboxing experience. Okay, here it is. The Scheepjes Dawn Chorus Kit 3 Pick and Mix Crochet or Knit Along Experience. This is the Bullfinch blanket by Esther from It's All in a Nutshell. So I thought it would be fun to show you what is inside. Alrighty. Well, first of all is this neat sleeve. And look at this cute picture of these birds, one holding a crochet hook and the other knitting needles, because you can choose which pattern to use when you make your blanket. So I think this one is actually the crocheted and this one's the knitted. Okay, so first we take off the sleeve. Okay, I actually had to set the phone down to do it because I'm holding the phone while I unbox this fun kit. And then we are going to open it. I've actually opened it already myself. I couldn't wait. So, now let's open it up. What do we have? We have the 3 cute bird postcards. Look at these little, and they have a little sleeve. I wonder why they're dotted. Wonder if we're supposed to cut them out and put them somewhere. So we have these 3 sweet postcards. You can send them or just save them. And then this one with a note from Esther. Okay, then we've got a little paper here describing all 3 kits. So here, the first one, I didn't even know what this was going on when the first one came out. And then the second one, these birds, the Blue Tit Cushion by Liz Barraclough, I don't know if I said that right. Anyway, they can also be knitted or crocheted and you cross stitch on top. Isn't that cute? I love it. Okay, what's on the back? All right, that is the emblem of the crochet or knit along. Now here's something I'm really excited about. This is a bag, but when I saw this bag in another video, I thought, oh, I definitely have to have it because look, see the musical notes? I'm a musician, I teach piano. So I was excited about seeing the musical notes, and plus I call myself a bag lady. I love bags. So this is just a great, really nice bag. Okay, so see, in the back is the same. Yay! Alrighty, now here for the real stuff. Isn't this beautiful? This is the MegaWhirl. Yay for the MegaWhirl. It's beautiful. Look at these colors. They're amazing. Pinks and peaches, blues, grays. I love it. All right, so this is what is in the unboxing of our kit. And this MegaWhirl is actually supposed to be the size of 3 whirls. All right, I'll take a picture and show you in a minute. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of our kit for the Dawn Chorus Knit or Crochet Along. All right, maybe I'll see you on the group, Facebook group, when we all start the project. So I'm Dayna with Nellie DeeCee Crochet. I'll see you on another video as I start and show you my progress. Bye-bye.